Ma, I'm tired of sitting here babysitting you. Since you had that emergency last year, and I'm glad you're doing a little better, but you still worry me with these headaches sometimes. I have to watch you and, make sure you're okay and make sure you don't pass out of here with these seizures. But I'm getting tired. I want me a man. You need to get out and find you a man. I get tired in here. Take me to doggy daycare. We need to get out this house. I just go walk and eat. I want to go see other people too. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go, Ma. I'm tired. I want to go meet me another dog.